I was born in Butte, Montana, and raised in Anaconda. To locals, then, that means that I should spend most of my time kicking my own ass. I was born in Butte, but I was actually raised not in Anaconda, but in Opportunity, a classy little suburb 6 miles away from the smelter city. That was my house right there at the corner of Rickards and Hauser. Rickards ran east-west, while Hauser runs north-south. So I grew up not even a mile from a golf course. It's not nearly as classy as it sounds. Right across the street from my house was Beaver Dam Elementary. That's where I started kindergarten back in 1976. I didn't think much of Miss Shields then, and I don't think much of her now, but I find it hard to believe that it took me an entire year to be able to blend sounds into words. Regardless, I was part of the last fourth grade class to come out of Beaver Dam Elementary before the smelter shut us all down. Mill Creek ran right next to Beaver Dam Elementary, though, and that's where I spent most of my time. Mill Creek was our neighborhood clubhouse, and realistically it was the backbone of our local economy. My friends and I spent a lot of time in the water. We waded, we swam, we stood on the banks and threw rocks at each other. I fell through the ice a couple times and damn near drowned myself. But this also is a creek that runs through a golf course, and so the balls would wash downstream, and we knew where they went. So we would fish them out all summer long, dry them off, and then sell them back to the golfers at a childishly low rate that we thought was good for us. I suppose that economic exploitation is really nothing new to Opportunity. In 1980, this was an awesome place to swim. It is less than that now. Beaver Dam Elementary is gone now, but the park that's here in its place is a wonderful piece of the local community, shrinking as it is. There are fewer of us here every year to remember Opportunity, but we are here, and we do remember. In the 1970s, this was a Little League baseball field, and it was busy. My sister played here. The field is actually named after her, although there's no plaque to commemorate that, and my father coached the team. Honestly, I never got beyond Bat Boy, but I'm still here, and I still remember Opportunity. Even if I was born in Butte, which, to the locals, makes me morally suspect.